So basically, the battery is dead. It doesn't start, it just starts making funny noises. Not doing anything. See that? The battery light is on. But then I don't know if that is... But anyway, the battery is broken because I have to jump start it every time. But we'll be replacing that today. Obviously, the first thing you've got to do is pop the bonnet. But there's all of this crap on it. But to take the battery off, there's positive, negative, and then there's this clip. Pull this tab out, press that down, that should come out. And then time for just removing these terminals. Right, cool, so basically starting off with this terminal. Undo that, and then the negative terminal. This should just lift up and over. Similarly, this wiring loom for the fuses and whatnot. There's this cable tie that I'm just going to pull out, so that clip just pops out of here. You have to undo this as well. So yeah, these are all 10mm bolts that I'm undoing, and then yeah, hopefully that should just give us a little bit more clearance with getting this all out. So yeah, there you go, that's that out of the way. And now we should be able to... There's no handle.
There isn't.
Anyway, but down here, if you show them down there, there's one bolt there, and that is the battery clamp. We've got to get that out. So I got this 13 now. I'm using extensions because there's no other way to reach it. But yeah, there's this bolt that you've got to undo, which is the clamp. So that's that bolt there. That's the battery sleeve. There is no handle. Yeah, that's this battery. There's no real stickers on it other than these top ones, so you can't really see exactly what battery it was. 320 amp. I don't even know if the one we just got is the same as this. So I'm just going to check the reading on this one. So if I go positive and negative, the new one, you can see it is holding 12 volts, and this old one, if we do that again as well, is showing 10. Basically every time we jump start it, it will hold the, it will start it, but then it will die. So basically the battery is dead. So basically what you got to do is, this bit here has got a wedge underneath there. There you go, now it's slid in and is in exactly the same place. You can see where the old battery was. And now what we got to do is put this clamp in. So yeah, that's snug on the battery, so we know it's the right battery. And then put this bolt back in. Now I'll just take these caps off. These just lift up and off. Once you put the battery in, you want to put this sleeve back on. Alright, cool. Basically, once you put that sleeve on, it's a bit of a faff, but once you get the sleeve on, what you want to do is start putting the terminal connectors on. Terminal connectors, same place again, negative on negative, and make sure you just get them as tight as you can. And yeah, then the positive, and then once you're done clamping up all of these terminals, you want to make sure you plug the earth cable back in, and then once the cable is in, plugged in, what you want to do is make sure you screw on the terminal for the positive, and yeah, hopefully that should be all done. Now that the battery's all in, we've tightened up all of the bolts, plugged in all the connectors. What we're going to do is just start it up now. So basically, here we are. Key in, clutch down, because on stop start on this up we need to, there you go, the light time and all that is reset. There you go, it's fired up first time. So yeah, the battery was broken, and now yeah, stop start is working. First that would turn it off and stop start wasn't working. But yeah, no, happy days, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what other up videos you want to see. I got someone's asked me to do the rear brake lights and whatnot, so I will be doing a video on that. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Check out my other videos on my channel as well. I've got some more up videos, and yeah, check them out, and make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, all of that good stuff, and see you in the next one.